Hi Ava, I wanted to make a quick tutorial for you so that you could um, reference this if you need to do any note checking during the week. I don't want you to practice anything wrong and then spend the whole week learning it that way. So you can, I'll play through the first page here so you can, and I'll play it real slow. And of course, you're going to play it faster than me, but I'm just going to do this so you can pause where you need to and fix whatever notes that aren't quite right. I would start in this position. It's like A position, and it's A minor, so you don't have a C sharp. Page 2, I would start in this position.